Cuddy, I've been telling you, man. You can't just be emptying your pockets on bullshit, man. For real, though. You bitches
I need money for my nails, my phone bill, and money to go out today.
Fuck out of here with that shit, man. This is that bird ass shit we was talking about, man. Where we go, man?
Bird.
This that shit we was talking about, man. Yes. That's that shit we was talking about.
I don't see no Tweety Bird in here.
I'll holler at you first.
It's the heart of it right here. Jungle Damo headquarters. Stones. Yeah, a lot of murder investigations lead right here. One way in, one way out.
Bird, we're gonna get something to eat.
Hey, don't ever come up here without me, you hear me? Sir,
All
for
these
your
bitches
sake.
is something. Birds.
It's that takeover, man. TB3 shit, man. Free Punko.
It's low when I'm stepping, I don't do no stressing, I'm smoking this pressure, get high as the heavens. I know me some demons, they do what I tell them, get glory to God, I'm counting my blessings. Check my persona, that Dolce Gabbana, I drip like a sauna, we pull up with trauma, I'm rocking designer, I might fuck your mama, don't ask for designer, ain't buying her nothing. Bird.
Man, these bitches is birds out here. Man, y'all niggas is birds too. Bird ain't shit.
All these bitches is something. Birds.
You know what I'm saying? There was somebody here trying to get up again for this. Look for a hand on this shit, man.
I robbed my roadies of packages on me. My brother was murdered when we were just shorties. I blew my first 40, oh lordy, Jeff Gordy. Start using the music and telling my story. The bars I be roaring, now bitches be whoring. The DM is deep, I start to ignoring. They telling me lies, it start to get boring. I'm all in my bed from morning to morning. Came out the urine, I'm thinking about touring. Now I want some icy and flawless when cut. Black and white diamonds do not give a fuck with the right pair of J's. I'ma fuck that shit up. I came from nothing. Bread in the butter, put that in the oven. My brothers, my cousins, we came from that struggle. But they ain't stay brothers, but shit, I still love them. Cuff up a lung when you smoking this dank. I don't sip syrup, it's not what I drank. Life so exciting, you don't wanna blink. I get the money, the fuck that you think. Fixing the blow, man, I'm right on the brink. You niggas is bitches, they singing like Tank. Talking my shit and I know that it stink. Bird.
Man, look, this is what I'm saying, for now. Ain't a bitch finna be in my pocket.
All these bitches is some birds.
Bitch, you think you finna get at me as well? Man, that shit is stupid, man. That shit is dead, you feel me? I ain't going for that. Nah.
It's low when I'm stepping, I don't do no stressing, I'm smoking this pressure, get high as the heavens. I know me some demons, they do what I tell them, get glory to God, I'm counting my blessings. Check my persona, the Dolce Gabbana, I'm dripping like saunas, I pull up with trauma, I'm rocking designer. I might fuck your mama, don't ask for designer, ain't buying her nothing. Bird.
Bird, bitch. Like I said, man, y'all niggas on that bird shit too, man. Y'all gotta get that shit up. Y'all gotta step y'all shit up, you feel me? If y'all wanna go, if y'all wanna elevate to next level, you feel me? Y'all trying to ascend to next level, you gotta get off your ass, you feel me?
You know if they cross the line, I'm taxing that ass.
Settle down.
They flipping pigeons. I want to let everybody know I'm here. I'm here.